Welcome to Tax Central. In this video, we will learn how to create an inventory management system in Excel with each stock ledger and dashboard for summarized view. So, let's begin. First, we will start with creating stock ledger, also known as bin card. To save time, we have already created a basic format with required details. Here we can type our company name or can upload logo and design this sheet as per your liking. Now we will enter our product name, product code, location where stock is currently at and reorder level of the product. In average stock level, we will apply this formula so that average price of stock can be calculated. Don't worry about this error now, value will automatically be updated once we will enter product value in rate column. In total received quantity, we will require some of the received product column. Similarly, in total issued quantity, we will require some of the total issued quantity column. For balance quantity calculation, we will minus total issued quantity from total received quantity. And for balance stock value, we will multiply average stock value with balance stock quantity. Here we can enter data when we received product or issue product with bill number and rate. Here is another balance quantity column to know running balance of stock. Here we will put this formula and hide the above cell, so now you only have to copy and paste this formula down to know running balance. Now we want unit of measurement. When we put numbers in quantity column, its unit of measurement also written with the number. To do this, go to number format and click on more numbers format, then click on custom hash and PCS in quote. Then just copy this and paste it as a format in all quantity cell. Our stock ledger is ready. We will rename this sheet same as product code. This will help in creating summarized dashboard. Now we will copy this entire sheet, paste it in multiple sheets. Once copied, change the name of product name and code. And rename all sheet as per product code. Now product ledgers are created. Next, we will create a dashboard where we can see summary of all product in one place. So, here we will create a table. In header we will have sheet reference, product name, issued quantity, received quantity, balance quantity, and value to that product. In sheet reference, we will put sheet name and drag it down. In product name column, we will use the hyperlink function with indirect function to fetch the product name and create link that will take us to that product ledger sheet. Type this formula as we have type here. In next column, we will use indirect function to fetch value from another sheet. Just type the formula as we have typed here. Just check the cell address to fetch value correctly. As you can see, quantity issued cell address mentioned here. Now just copy paste this on all column. Just change the cell address to get corresponding value. Next, we will create a link on each stock ledger so that we can go directly to dashboard from stock ledger sheet. To do this, we will type here. Go to dashboard. Then to create hyperlink. Click right button, then hyperlink and select dashboard. Then copy this and paste it on each ledger. When you click on this link, it will take you to Dashboard. Now, let's do some entry. Suppose we have received stock of computer, so we will click on Computer to go on that ledger and enter the date, bill number, rate, and quantity. As you can see, all the value have been updated in their respective field. To issue stock, we put date, quantity, and remarks if any required. As you can see, balance stock is also automatically updating. If we click on Dashboard, you can see Dashboard also have been updated. Now if you want to add new product, just add new sheet and copy previous sheet data and paste it in new sheet. Then just change the product name and enter the date, bill number, quantity received. Then go to the dashboard. Now just drag the sheet reference column. Then select the row and press Ctrl+D, and it will fetch the value from that sheet. That is how you can make fully functional inventory management system to track your inventory. Thanks for watching. Like if you find our video useful and subscribe for more.